My husband was so happy when he pulled this console table out of the box because it was so simple to put together. Everything was already assembled. All he had to do was add the 4 legs, which made it so simple and easy to do, which we love around here for sure. So this is going to be really cute. We put this in our bedroom, but you can use this obviously in like a hallway, an entryway. I think this would be really cute with just like some nice decor on it. If you want to have a little catch-all here, or if you wanted to put your keys and stuff, but we just needed a bit of extra space in our bedroom, so we went ahead and put this on here. So this is 42.1 inches long. It is 11.8 inches wide, and it is 31.7 inches high. And this one right here, what I do love is that it's kind of got this like vintagey look to it, but it is super modern, especially because it has the plugs over here on the side. You've got your 2 plugs, you've got your USB-C and your USB-A, which makes it really nice. So obviously I have my little like light plugged in over here. I've got my phone charging. There's no stress there. You also have these like little drawers as well. And I do love that we have the drawers, but they're not like super deep because I don't want it to be filled with like a bunch of clutter, but obviously anything I don't want up on the top. We're just putting some shoes here for now, but of course, if you had this in the entryway, I think it'd be really cute. I'd probably I might end up turning this into like a little library at the bottom. I have some really cute bookends. So yeah, I think this is super nice. This one clearly is a black. It also comes in other colors. And I love the whole vintagey but modern style of this.